Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Thimble for on-demand business insurance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Thimble website to get started. Look for the Get a Quote button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Select the type of business insurance you need from the options provided. Fill out the required information about your business. This includes your business name, type, and location. Indicate how long you need the coverage for. You can choose from on-demand options or longer-term plans. After entering your details, click on the Next button. Review the coverage options presented to you. Adjust the coverage limits if necessary to meet your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, fill in your email and choose a password. After setting up your account, continue with the registration. Provide any additional information requested, such as business activities. Review all entered information for accuracy. After verifying your details, proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the necessary details. Complete the payment process to finalize your registration. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email. You can access your policy and manage it from your Thimble account. Congratulations, you are now registered for on-demand business insurance with Thimble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.